Hello, my dear children. Welcome to a new topic on plant families. Today's topic is family Asteraceae, which has been included in NEET 2024 but not provided in the new NCERT biology textbook. So, let's dive into the topic. Family Asteraceae. Previously, it was called as Compositae. Mainly, it is considered as the sunflower family, dahlia family, or the aster family. This type of flowers we observe, two types of florets are present at the center, that is disc floret, and towards the periphery, ray florets are present. Commonly called sunflower family or aster family or dahlia family. It is the largest family of all the angiosperms. Largest family of all the angiosperms. Now habit. Habit annual, that is the members of this family completes its life cycle within 1 year. Sometimes perennial, perennial means it needs more than 2 years to complete its life cycle. Mainly herb, sometimes shrub, rarely climbers. Rarely climbers. Root, mainly taproot system. Taproot system means that primary root, secondary root, tertiary root, these are present. The main one is primary root, then secondary root, then these are the tertiary root, and root cap is present. This is the taproot system. However, tuberous root present in dahlia. Next, leaves. Leaves are mainly simple or maybe compound. Alternate. Alternate means from each node, if it is the stem axis, then from each node one leaf develops. This is called alternate. Right? So, alternate, pinnately or palmately lobed. Pinnately means feather like, palmately means palm like lobed. Glabrous or hairy. Hairy means on leaf surface hairs may be present. Glabrous means, what is the meaning of glabrous? Glabrous means smooth, shiny. Exstipulate. Petiolate. Petiolate means petiole is present. This is petiole. Exstipulate means stipule is absent. Stipule absent. Now what is stipule? Stipule means if it is stem axis, this is the leaf, this is petiole. At the base of the petiole, one pair of outgrowths develop. This is called stipule. This stipule is not present in the members of the family Asteraceae, right? Next, floral characters. Inflorescence. Unique feature of the family Asteraceae is presence of capitulum. Capitulum is the racemose head. Racemose head. What does it mean? Racemose inflorescence? Racemose inflorescence means indefinite growth. The flowers first open from the base, acropetal succession, then the second one, then the third one, and in this way, acropetal succession, unlimited growth. And sometimes this floral axis may be flattened, compressed, okay, and then in that case, first the outer one open up, then the second one, then the third one. So in case of the members of the family Asteraceae, we find these racemose head, which is the unique feature of Asteraceae family, that is the capitulum. Flower, two types of flowers are present. Two types of flowers are present, namely disc florets present in the center of the inflorescence and the ray florets which are present in the periphery. How to remember? It radiates outward direction. Okay. And here these flowers that are ovary inferior, that is other holes are present above the ovary, epigynous. Disc florets, that is bisexual, ray florets either pistillate or maybe neuter. Okay. Now let's see. This structure at the center, it consists of disc florets, and towards the periphery brightly colored flowers that are the ray florets, which radiates outward direction. So these are the ray florets at the center, these are the disc florets. This entire thing is actually is a inflorescence, that is called capitulum or capitulum. From distance it looks like a single flower, but actually it is the assemblage of tiny flowers, very small flowers. That's why instead of flowers we use the term florets. Okay. So here at the base bracts are present, and not only bracts, involucre of bracts, involucre of bracts. So the flower is subtended by involucre of bracts. Flower is subtended by involucre of bracts. Right. Now the question is that what does it mean? First we have to know what is bract. Bract is the foliage structures in the axil of these foliage structures flower or the inflorescence develop, right? So the main function of the bract is protection of the flower or the inflorescence. Here involucre means 2 to 3 holes of bracts are present, right? Here you can see at the center that disc florets are present and open outward to inward direction, right? And this green yellow color structure, these are the ray florets. Why florets? Because they are very small. Okay, this is ray floret, present outward direction. Corolla is brightly colored, and in case of disc floret, corolla it is tubular like with anterior small lobes. And here the anther, that is the male hole, and the female hole both are present, bisexual. Here only pistillate female hole is present, or it may be neutral also. So they look different. So calyx, in case of Asteraceae, in the members, these calyx that are modified, these sepals that are 5 in number and gamosepalous, means the sepals are united. Not only that, the sepals form a special structure called pappus, Pappus means hair like, bristle like, hair like or the bristle like. If it is the ovary fruit, and here this calyx, that is bristle like. Okay. So this presence of the pappus is a unique feature for the members of the Asteraceae family. Corolla, for the disc florets, we are discussing disc florets which are present in the center. Here the corolla, it is tubular with small equal lobes. right? And that means the petals are united. Petals are united. That is called gamopetalous. Okay. Now the androecium. Androecium, in case of disc florets, that is stamens, how many? Stamens are 5. They are united, but special type of union, that is called the syngenesious anther. Syngenesious anther. What does it mean? It is that these anthers are united laterally, but the filaments are free. Okay. So here these filaments are free. Anthers are united laterally, and this special type is known as syngenesious anther. Another name is synantherous stamen. That means anthers are united. This syngenesious anther is also the unique feature of the members of the Asteraceae. Now, gynoecium. Gynoecium, here, that is 2 carpels are present, bicarpellary. Bicarpellary. Carpels are united, syncarpous. Okay. Here, so the ovary is one, unilocular, single ovary. These 2 ovary are united with single ovule, and the stigma is bifid. Now let's show here. This is here the flowers open from periphery to the center. So racemose head, which I have written, that is the diagram. This green structure, this represents involucre of bracts. This receptacle on which the florets develop, it may be convex, or it may be flat, or it may be concave also. This white structure represents disc florets, and yellow structure, this represents, which radiates outward direction, ray floret, involucre of bracts. Okay. Now here you see the C, the diagram represents disc floret. Okay. So this represents pappus. This is the bract, already I have explained. This is the tubular corolla, as I told you. And here with the small apical lobes of that corolla, this syngenesious anther, and inside that bicarpellary, that is united, and this is the bifid stigma. And we have learned that is syngenesious anther. Anthers are united but the filaments are free. Right? This is called the syngenesious anther. Okay. Next. Disc florets. We have explained. Now we are going to write down the floral formula. How to write down? From periphery to the center we have to write down. First, bract is present. Yes, bract present. We have to write down BR. Then actinomorphic or zygomorphic? Actinomorphic. Actinomorphic means radially symmetrical. If the flower can be divided into two equal halves if the radial plane passes through the center, it can be divided into many equal halves. So actinomorphic, radial symmetry. Sexuality, bisexual. Calyx represented by K, and here it is pappus. Corolla, how many? 5 for disc floret, tubular type, united. So within bracket we have to write 5. Androecium, how many? 5, and that are united, syngenesious. Not only that, one more unique feature, that is epipetalous. That means the stamens are attached with the corolla. So the terminology we use, that is epipetalous. Okay. And gynoecium, how many? 2 carpels that are united. So we have to write the number within bracket. That means united, and it is inferior ovary. So above the G we have to draw a line. And one more thing I would like to say, epipetalous stamen, for showing this one, either we can draw the straight line, or else above this C and A we can draw this curve also. These also represents that epipetalous stamen. I hope it is clear. So here this point also we have to write down syngenesious and epipetalous. This means attached with the corolla. Now the ray florets. Ray florets same as disc floret. Means here that is pappus present, right? Pappus present. United, same. Corolla here unique. 5 petals that are united, and it at one side it forms a strap like or the tongue like structure, which is called ligule. So the strap like structure is formed due to the union of 5 petals, which is termed as ligule. Presence of ligule for the ray florets also unique feature for the members of the Asteraceae. 5 petals that are united. Brightly colored, very brightly colored. to attract insects for pollination. Therefore, entomophilous pollination, right? So here I can show you this is the ligule. 5 petals that are united at one side, it forms a strap-like structure. This is the pappus. This is the bract. Here carpel may be present, pistillate, or it may be neuter. Okay, so this is ray floret. Androecium, no male sex organ. Androecium not present. Gynoecium may be present, or may be neutral. No gynoecium. If present, then 2 in number and united. And inferior ovary if present, or maybe neuter, no carpel. Okay, so that ray florets may be pistillate or it may be neuter, right? So now the floral formula. What have we learned? Bract present? Yes, present. It is zygomorphic because of the presence of the ligule. It is zygomorphic, not radially symmetrical. And here again calyx, pappus type, corolla, strap-like ligule, united, gamopetalous, androecium, 0, one thing, after that we have to write down zygomorphic, then sexuality, either pistillate or neuter, then calyx, pappus, corolla united, ligule is formed, 5 gamopetalous, then androecium 0, gynoecium if present 2, united or 0, if present then inferior, right? So the floral formula for the ray florets also clear to all of you. Now the next one, fruits. Cypsela type. Dry, here the pericarp is attached with the seed coat, the special type of fruit which is called cypsela, and the seed that is single and non-endospermic. Okay. So we have come to the end of this video. A small part is left, that is the floral diagram that we have to learn, and also the difference between the ray floret and the disc floret, and some MCQ that we will solve that we will take up in the next video. I hope all of you have enjoyed this video. If you have any queries, any question, any doubt in your mind regarding this family, feel free to write down in the comment section below. God bless you all.